Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. I have another unbagging, and this is from Glow Addict, and this is the beauty box for August 2020. Glow Addict has 3 different subscriptions. The Glow Addict Beauty Bag, $13.99, 4 to 5 products. Glow Addict Beauty Box, which is what I have, that's in a bag. $18.99, 5 to 7 products, and then they have Glow Addict Skincare, $24.99. You get 4 to 5 luxury skincare products. I just cut the top to save time, and I'm just going to take everything out. I find that a little easier for myself. Let's get everything out here. Okay. And I don't think we generally get cards. Oh, how wonderful. Now we have a card that has an item, no description, but an item and a price. How wonderful. And a total value. You are receiving your box in a bag this month because we decided to include larger than normal items and it did not fit in our usual box. Don't worry, you will get your next shipment in a regular box. I don't think it matters to me one way or the other. And then they gave us a code, good for the month of August. Get 50% off single one-time purchase. Okay. So let's do the first item. And this is a little sample size. And this is from Grace and Stella. And this is a rose mist, I think a face. Is this a face spray? Facial spray, little sample. Just see if I can smell it. I'll just unscrew the top. Yeah, that's heavy in rose, so that if you don't like a heavy rose scent, I don't mind it. Then you wouldn't like that if you didn't like a heavy rose. Grace and Stella, $9.99. This here is from, I don't know where this is from. I'm trying to get, this says Kayla, C-A-L-A, lash curler, $10. Oh, I see, Beauty Tools by Kayla. That's on the back right there. And this seems like a nice one, really nice one. I'm just going to, the bottom is all destroyed, so we'll take it out that way. And let's just see. Let's get it out. See, this seems like a nice one, with the grippers on the bottom, so that you don't, I guess you don't slip. You just rest your fingers in there, and it does come with an extra rubber for the, you know, at the top to replace. Now I can't get that back in, so we'll leave it out for right now. Let's put it on top of the box. So that's $10. Then we have, it was kind of wrapped up in this here, with a little bit of bubble wrap, and this is Smoke Balm with foil, and this is from, oops, this is from the Balm. This is a trio. It's $19.99. Oh, it does have a little mirror. How cute. Little tiny mirror, and this is what I see. And I would assume that you, since 2 of them are shimmers and the other one is a matte, I don't know if you could complete an eye look. I guess you could complete an eye look with that if for smoky eye. And it did have on the back here, I guess, a way that you could do it if you wanted just to stick with this palette. Be a very dark eye, but that's okay if that's what you like. And $19.99. Then from Steb Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow, $14.99. And this says Diamond. Let's see what this is all about. I can get it open. Ah, there we go. This is what it looks like. Pretty packaging. And there is, on this top part, there is some paper to peel off. I'm not going to open this just because I know I won't use it. But you can see that's the eyeshadow, the glitter, so that is nice. And that was how much? $14.99. Might be a little, I guess that's about right. Then from Manna Kadar, 4-piece Pro eye brushes, $29. Right here. How nice. Tells you on the back which ones they are. Shader, blender, tall tapered blender, and a precision brush. Another look at them. I will include these in the giveaway. I honestly do not need any more brushes, even though these are nice. And they do tell you on there, on the brushes themselves, what they're for, in case you get confused. You know, if you put them all in your cup or whatever, however you store your brushes, at least it has it on there. Their brand name is on there. They look like nice brushes. I'm not going to touch them so that I can give them away. Okay, I think this was a great one. Total value, $83.97. And I'll show you that once again. The eyelash curler, I'm not so fond of. But I do have one. Now, that one seems like a really nice one. So maybe I'll replace mine with that one. I mean, I don't use it often. But day to day, I don't curl my eyelashes. I think if you do it too much, it does damage them. But if I'm going out and getting dressed a little nicer and doing like full face makeup and so forth, I will curl my top lashes just to give them a little bit, they're curled enough and long enough, but just to give them that little bit extra so when you put your mascara on. So I might keep these instead of mine, maybe get rid of mine because they're older, but they look really nice. Everything else is very usable. I don't mind the rose scent for this, so that'll be nice, and that could be a good put it in your makeup bag for when you go anywhere, or just keep it in your makeup bag because it's a smaller size, not one of these huge bottles that you would have to keep home. So I think that the August box was a very good one. I'm happy with everything. You know, when I get brushes or even this little tiny palette, which is fine, I'm happy. Brushes are expensive. I mean, right there, that's $29. This is a $18.99. I think we do pay a little bit of tax. Well worth it right there for the brushes. And these are limited edition, so that's even nicer. I love it. Thank you, Glow Addict. Love this August box. So let me know what you think down in the comments down below. I also get the beauty bag, which I'll be filming next, which you won't see that for, you know, I tried to space these out a little bit, not do them in the same day. So show them to you in the same day, but I'm going to film it right after this. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this box. When you see the Glow Addict Beauty bag, do you like both? Is there one you like more? Let me know in the comments. And I hope everyone is happy, healthy, and staying safe. Enjoying your summer. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.